Today we're making a strawberry and banana Herbalife healthy meal and protein shake. It's really yummy and I know you're going to love it if you're into protein drinks. Start by peeling and slicing a ripe banana, then place it in a bowl. Next, we're going to take about a teaspoon of white vinegar and mix it with a bowl of water. And then we're going to put the strawberries in the bowl to wash them for a few minutes. Then we're going to slice them and put them aside. Here I have my vanilla protein and vanilla healthy meal. Now I'm going to add some coconut water to my mixer, about a cup. And then I'm going to add either coconut or regular water, about another cup. Next we add a few pieces of banana and then a few pieces of strawberry. The rest you can freeze for later. 2 scoops of healthy meal and 2 scoops of protein mix. And this next part is optional. 1/3 spoonful of flaxseed, 1/3 a spoonful of beef gelatin. These are for your gut health and to aid in digestion. Next, I'm going to do a little dash of strawberry gelatin and a little dash of banana gelatin, and this is to give it some more flavor. Then I topped it off with a little bit of water, just to make it full. And the final step is to add a few scoops of ice. You don't need to do this if you're using frozen fruit. Now I replace the lid and shake it to mix it a little bit. Next, we're going to blend it very thoroughly. Make sure it's all mixed up. When it's done, remove the lid and pour it into a glass. If you're using a mixer like me, you won't need to do this. I topped it off with a little bit of whipped cream and now it's ready to enjoy. I really hope you guys like this recipe and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.